Siya.
Yun sa trip na yun, yung Santa Ana Park, kung saan
Ang bida sa karera.
And the race is on. Doña Rolona, Brother Bonjour, fast to begin, rushing up Abons Racer, running by the rail speed of the wind, running on the inside Ideal View, and alongside Boss Gugoy Banay, Banay speed sense second last, and Doña Leonora is running at the tail of the field, speed of the wind by Hapalan, followed by Bonjour. Abons Racer is racing in third, running in fourth Ideal View. Speed Sense getting closer in fifth, running on the outside Boss Gugoy, Banay, and Doña Leonora. Rounding the far turn, Bonjour, speed of the wind, fighting it up for the lead. Abons Racer, Ideal View, Speed Sense, rushing up now to take the fourth spot. Last 403 runners fighting it out for the lead. Bonjour in the middle, speed of the wind. Abons Racer is Speed Sense coming into the picture as they race the final corner. Is Speed Sense rushing up to take the lead. Running by the runs, Abons Racer rushing as Boss Gugoy by the rail. Is Speed Sense, Boss Gugoy, Danori inside. Boss Gugoy, Speed Sense once again from the outside, moves up and finally Speed Sense. Boss Gugoy close, Abons Racer, Bonjour, Ideal View, speed of the wind.